cigarettes and silver rain. The rain's been falling steady since 9:45. And I'm sitting by this window like, I'm waiting again. You said you'd call. But silence got loud, and I'm trying to act cool. But I'm hurt and proud. I lit a cigarette just to feel some heat, because your touch used to run from my head to my feet. You were bad, but Lord, you were sweet on me, like danger wrapped up in a old, faded white tee. My mama said, boys like you come and go. Like trains through our town, they never stay, just blow. But I ain't my mama, and I'm built from fire. With wine in my soul and street-bred desire. We met where neon flickers over back alley bars. You had moonlight eyes and a roadmap of scars. I saw your bruises and kissed every one. Thought love could clean up what trouble had done. Now it's right on the roof and a ghost in my chest. You haunt my thoughts more than I care to confess. But if you ever wander back through this place, know that I'm still here with eyeliner and grace.